I think it's dry.
On May 27th, 2022, an anesthesiologist. After that, Dr. Marsden and It had been Jorge's idea to come to this area and explore. Jorge had heard all this from his wife and friends. The group slowly made their way.
So looking down this road, it's the middle of the day, and already the mist is starting to come in. Finally, Jorge broke down.
여자랑 여행 다니는 콘텐츠.
Unahin ko muna yung pagkain.
Ah,
Tawag ko yung siguro. Wala nga, for this life. Hindi lang order sa friends kay Ante. I can't.
oh no. No, yes.
Sige, magpamassage kay Ante.
Mamaya tayo.